Prima. Then I see how that's a dragon's wing. That's a flutter. Also off to the right side of the track, we're going to see our very own reflection lake, which is dominated by the roller coaster, the Silver Bullet. Silver Bullet will turn your head over heels about 6.5 times. And you also see our mountain, which houses our log ride.